Okay, guys, to make the Disneyland, Disney World gray stuff, you know, from Beauty and the Beast, all you're going to need is what you see right here. You'll need some Oreos. You'll need some pudding mix in chocolate and vanilla, your favorite sprinkles, Cool Whip, and your favorite sugar cookies and some milk. That's literally it, and it's going to be delicious. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 1.5 cups of milk and the entire vanilla mix pudding, and we're going to put it in a bowl and we're going to whisk it, and then we're going to set it inside the fridge while we do the next step. Okay, so this is it all whisked up, nice and good. It's all yellow. We're going to put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes while we do the next step. Okay, the next step is we're going to take about 15 Oreos and put in our food processor, mix it up really, really good. If you don't have a food processor, don't worry, just put it in a bag and hammer it with something until it gets all crumb-like. All right, so here are our 15 Oreos all chopped up from the food processor. This is what you want it to look like. All right, so now that we got these done, on to the next step. All right, so the mix has been in the fridge for about 10 minutes. So now the next step is to put our Oreos in here. Like so. I'm going to mix it up really good. Once this is all mixed up, then I'm going to add the Cool Whip, and I'm going to add only 3 tablespoons of the chocolate instant pudding mix. Okay, once all that's mixed together, I'm going to put it in the fridge for about an hour before serving it in a piping bag on top of our sugar cookies. And yeah, stay tuned for the taste test. Okay, so before I put it in the fridge to chill for an hour and before the taste test, I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like with all our ingredients mixed in. The cookies, the whipped cream, the pudding mix, the milk. All this stuff is, so this is the final result. All right, hope this helps. And yeah, stay tuned. All right, taste test. What you tasting? The gray stuff?
The gray stuff.
It's delicious.
Disney. Oh yeah. Actually, I want to taste it with the little cookie.
Okay.
See that? Let me dip it a little bit more.
Okay.
Just a little bit more. Tastes just like the gray stuff from Disney.
All right.
I'm liking this.
So, what do you rate it?
I rate it a 10.
All right. So, it's a success.
It's really good.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.
Bye.